Let's talk about kids not being motivated and what you can do about it. I hear a lot about a lack of motivation. And it is a problem. I have a lot of kids sitting in the classroom. They're kind of like, what are you going to teach us today? And my comeback is, what are you going to learn today? So there's a couple things we can have in the conversation, putting it back on them. All right. What is your job in school? You have a job here, guys. Get them excited about it. Let them know how much control they have over it. Kind of spark that motivation. And the other thing that I think about is that, can you really motivate people? Like, I can't make you motivated. I can motivate you if I have, a harsh enough punishment so that you avoid, doing something wrong. I can motivate you if I give you enough, rewards. But again, both of those, once you adapt to them, they're not going to work anymore. So they really haven't provided any motivation. The only thing we can do is inspire people. And I just love that word. I love being able to say, can I inspire this class who doesn't want to be here today? And if I can inspire them by the delivery of what I do in front of them, being so passionate about what I teach that they actually think I'm a little bit, goofy, but they become more motivated. So I think that's really all we have is we put it back on them, remind them of what their job is, so they feel more empowered, and inspire them to love learning as much as you love teaching. Thanks for watching. Please hit like, subscribe, and leave a comment.